In this video, we will be talking about Python code to check whether a string is a palindrome or not. So what is palindrome? Palindrome in the sense, if there is a string, if you reverse that string, the string should remain same. Let's say the string is 101. If we reverse 101, it still remains 101. Okay, and if I say string is xyx, if we reverse xyx, the reverse string is xyx. So such strings which, when you reverse the string which remains the same, such strings are known as the palindrome. So how to validate whether a given string is palindrome or not using the Python? Here is a code. So what I am doing here, I am taking string, there is a variable which stores the string bulb. Okay, B-A-L-A-B. Here I am calling a function is palindrome. The function is here and passing this bulb as a parameter, and it goes here, the control goes here, and it checks there is a variable which stores the result of the return value of the reverse function. This is the function which is getting called where we are passing this bulb. Okay, the control goes here and it come here the string with :1, in the sense it means that it completely reverses the string. So bulb is reverse the string, and this return value will be stored in rev in this variable. Now we will cross verify, we will check whether the original string and the reverse string are same. And cross checking whether string is exactly equal to the reverse string, whatever we got here after the reverse. If it is true, then true will be returned, that is 1. Answer is 1. If it is not, it will return the false, means answer will be something else than the 1. Or similarly, this variable answer will contain either return value from the is palindrome in a string form, in a 0 or 1 something. If the answer is exactly 1, means if the palindrome which returns is stored in a 1, means that string, means what is that, bulb is palindrome, we can say. If it is not 1, we can say that this is not a palindrome. Okay, this is the string, we will check whether it is a palindrome or not. Let's run and see. See, it is saying bulb is a palindrome. Okay, bulb is, this string is a palindrome. Why? Because when you reverse this string, you will get the same string. That is the reason you are saying bulb. What we will do, we will add some value here, 1, and now we will run it. It shouldn't be a palindrome. Okay, bulb 1 is not palindrome, because if you reverse this one, it won't be this, it will not be same as the original one. That is the reason it is not a palindrome. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.